The opening ceremony of the National Cultural Festival is what Angopa has prepared for our national highlights. Please stay with us. This is how Angola welcomed FENACUL 2014. The country came together for a colorful feast that transcended the barriers of age and social condition. The environment at 11 de Novembro Stadium was of joy and suspense, both on stage and on the stadium's sophisticated seats. Dance, theater, song, and capoeira were the basis for an innovative choreography which, in 3D format, told the various stages of the Angola's history. The magnitude of the event excited politicians, academics, and artists well ahead of the beginning of the feast. The usual football fever gave in to animated speeches that highlighted the FENACUL's cultural dimension. It was late in the evening when the festival was declared open. The members of the public, expectant gazing, contrasted with the anxiety of those who wanted to entertain with art and melody the country fellows from around Luanda. All was so quick that the time elapsed almost unnoticed. There were minutes of tension in the stage in and out. All wanted to dominate the public. An overwhelming energy followed from the stage, while unexpected mixed reactions proceeded from the audience. The explosion of the public somehow influenced the performance of some artists, but the festive environment did not fade away. The people turned out in reduced numbers, walked all the way down to 11 de Novembro Stadium and enjoyed the feast with great emotion. It has been a pleasure to be with you. We'll see you in our next edition.